not driving. I am just going to Uber home from here. I'm just not driving. I am just going to Uber home from here.
Okay, no.
I'm not doing that.
That's not an option right now?
No.
I'm giving you the opportunity.
I'm not. I am going to call a friend or my
listen. Okay.
I'm just going to...
Ma'am?
On November 14th, 2025, a welfare check in Boca Raton, Florida became a lawful DUI arrest under 3 doctrines of Florida criminal procedure.
I'm going to be out with a vehicle at Dixie and Palmetto. Driver was passed out. I got flagged down by a few people. Charming 94. I'm sorry, where's home for you?
Linton and Federal Highway.
You got to speak up louder.
Sorry, Linton and Federal Highway.
Linton and Federal Highway. Do you know where you are right now?
Yes.
What city you're in?
I'm sorry. In Boca Raton.
Boca Raton? Okay, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Pompano.
Pompano, what are you doing in Pompano?
I was there, it was my birthday party, I'm so sorry.
Is it your birthday?
Yeah.
You were celebrating with friends and stuff? You have something to drink?
Not much, sir.
Not much?
No.
What's much? Not much.
Like 2 drinks over a period of 4 hours.
Okay, what time was your last drink?
10 p.m.
10 p.m.? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, would you mind stepping out of the car for me real quick? Could you shut your car off for me too as well? I don't want you to waste gas. Okay, here. Let's step back here, all right? So you said you were at some party in Pompano?
City unit B94 from over 1 at 1000 Middleburg Road.
Blue Maserati. Nope. So they just flagged me down. She was passed out right here.
I'm just tired, I just want to get home.
Tired? What happened?
I've had 4 nights of like 3-4 hours of sleep. I'm just trying to... Huh?
What did you have? Sorry. I couldn't
sorry?
hear. The radio was talking. I couldn't hear
You said you had a few nights of less
like 3
sleep?
to 4 hours of sleep, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get home.
Where are you coming from?
Gillespie's in Pompano.
What's that?
It's I guess a bar, restaurant in Pompano Beach.
Did you turn your vehicle off or was it off?
She turned it off and put it in park. When I rolled up, she was sleeping with it in drive and still
Sorry,
running.
I just had...
Is there anyone in there?
No, no one else.
I'm just tired. I'm so sorry.
Do you have anything to drink?
I did, but like a long time ago.
It's a long time ago.
Like 10 p.m.
10 p.m.?
Yes.
2 hours ago?
Yes.
What did you have?
I guess, I don't know, like a wine or something? Like just regular like wine?
How many glasses?
I had 2 glasses over a period of 4 hours.
Took 2 glasses over 4 hours?
Yes. Last night, for probably like 4 hours. I'm so sorry. It's just, I haven't had much to sleep. But if you want me to just pull this over here, and I'll just get right home. That's fine. I'm just tired.
Give me 1 second, okay?
No, I don't mind doing that. Or if you not pull it over, you just leave the car here. Whatever.
Hold on. Just give me a second, all right? What you doing? All right.
Or I can just leave the car here.
No,
I'm just gonna go home. I'm just gonna go home. I can.
Just gonna shut your door so it doesn't.
I mean, I can just pull it over here. There's the 7-Eleven. We can just pull it here.
You give him a second, okay?
Car was ready for that vehicle 2054. Coming back to an address from Boca.
Or if somebody wants to follow me home, that's fine too. Whatever works. Or if somebody wants to drive my car home, I don't care. I just not had good sleep in like 5 days. I'm sorry. I've had a really rough time. Do you want me to pull the car over there?
Okay, just give him a second, all right? Let's walk toward the back corner of your car, all right? I don't want to stand between our cars. Just stand right here for a minute, okay? Just wait right there. Yeah, you can reposition. Alright, ma'am. So, based on my observations, you being passed out behind the wheel with your car in drive and running, your eyes are a little bit red and glassy. While you were talking to me, I noticed your speech was a little slurred and mumbled, and you flat out said you had a few drinks earlier tonight. I have reason to believe that you are impaired and unable to drive a vehicle. So I want to give you the opportunity to dispel my alarm and do some field sobriety exercises with me. Would you be willing to do that?
First, community caretaking. Under Katie versus Dombrowski, officers may approach citizens in apparent distress, independent of any criminal investigation. A bystander report of a slumped driver triggers this function without a warrant and without reasonable suspicion. Second, actual physical control. Florida's DUI statute, codified at section 316.193, criminalizes operation, not just driving. Jones versus State and Feiselman versus State establish that a sleeping occupant in a running vehicle, gear shift in drive, satisfies this element. The subject need not be moving or even conscious. Third, the escalation from reasonable suspicion to probable cause. Under Illinois versus Gates, probable cause requires only a fair probability. The officer articulated 6 converging indicators on camera: unconsciousness at the wheel, red and glassy eyes, slurred speech, admitted drinking, vehicle in drive, and refusal of field sobriety exercises. That totality exceeds the threshold many times over.
I'm just not driving. I am just going to Uber home from here.
Okay,
I'm not doing that.
That's not an option right now?
No.
I'm giving you the opportunity.
I'm not. I am going to call a friend, or I'm
okay, listen. Okay.
I'm just going to.
Ma'am, listen.
I'm sorry.
I'm giving you the opportunity to dispel my alarm. Okay, if you don't want to, you have the right to do that, but I'm going to give you what are known as Taylor warnings. No. Let me talk to you.
No,
I need you to understand something. I need to give you your Taylor warnings. If you do not do these exercises with me, I have no option but to base my investigation off of only the things I've observed thus far, which I just explained. You're passed out behind the wheel, your speech is slurred, your eyes are red and glossy, and you admitted to having a few drinks earlier.
That is bullshit. It's my birthday. That's not nice.
All right, so with that,
really not nice. I'm really
with
sorry.
that in mind, will you do these field sobriety exercises to dispel my alarm? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
No, stop! No!
Ma'am, stop. Do not resist.
Oh my God!
Resist, ma'am.
No, let's just park my car, please. No, let's just park my car. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. No, please don't. Let me just park my car. Let's just park my car. I'm going home. Please just let me go home. Let me go home. Let me go home. Let me just go home. Please, I'm not.
Stop it.
No, don't do this. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. No. Oh my God! Where's my lawyer? Like, can I get a lawyer or something? This is crazy.
Field sobriety exercises in Florida are voluntary. The subject refused, and that was her legal right. Yet under State versus Taylor, refusal may be introduced at trial as consciousness of guilt evidence. Refusal does not defeat probable cause. It reinforces it. Post-arrest, the officer invoked the implied consent warning. Under Florida Statute 316.1932, any Florida licensee pre-consents to chemical testing on lawful DUI arrest. Refusal costs a 1-year license suspension on the first offense, 18 months thereafter. The subject requested counsel, but in State versus Hawk, Florida courts held no right to attorney attaches during the chemical testing decision.
This is crazy. Crazy.
We're good.
Get a female out here.
Please?
You want to just sit her down? Or wait?
Just wait.
Alright.
Yeah. You're right.
Can I call like somebody? This is crazy. I'm not this kind of person. I don't understand what you're doing to me. Like I'm not.
Is your car unlocked?
No, I think it's locked.
Go ahead and unlock it.
Alright, good. Alright. You want to sit her down? We're just gonna have a seat for now, okay? Yeah.
170. You want to call your team so I can call my...
Yeah. Bravo 34, and then I have a white female 1015.
Female 1015, 09. Photo 1, white male 1015. White male 1015, 09.
Alright,
I'm just. Let me just get an Uber home, please. Just
okay,
let me
ma'am,
get an Uber home.
we're beyond that. We're beyond that now.
What do you mean beyond that? I just asked for an Uber home.
Okay.
I just asked to get an Uber home. I just asked, let my boyfriend pick me up. Please.
Now we just have to wait for a female officer to get here, okay?
What are you talking about? Let me go home. We leave my car right here. I don't need to drive my car. Leave my car here. I'm just gonna go home.
We're not going to leave your car here. Your car's in the middle of the road, okay?
Well, somebody can drive it. You're capable of driving. Just drive up there.
No, we don't drive other people's cars.
Okay, fine. I can drive it to the 7-Eleven. It's right there. It's right there.
If you want to get started on typing rough arrest, anything, go ahead.
Okay, yeah. I'll stand with her. Appreciate it. Ask her where her license and all that stuff is in the car.
Can I call anybody? What is going on? I'm not this person. I'm not this type of person. I'm not a criminal. I'm not a horrible person. I'm just trying to get home. I'm tired. And I just haven't slept much at all this week. And I haven't slept at all. Can I please just get home? I don't mind if somebody drives my car home for me. Just get someone to be nice. Like I do nothing wrong. I give to the police department. I participate in all the things and I give all to like Boca Raton Police Foundation. I just don't put that stupid sticker on my car. I'm sorry, I don't put the sticker on my car. I just didn't want to put as many stickers on my car. I just put the one for FAU because I give FAU too. And I'm so sorry. I didn't put the Boca one, the Boca Police Department one. But I can call the Boca Police Department Foundation guy if you need to talk to him.
The officer earns an A- for textbook articulation, while the subject earns a D+ because her voluntary admissions sank her own case. 3 takeaways. A running vehicle equals actual physical control. Silence must be chosen to matter. And field sobriety refusal is lawful but admissible. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.